Look at this, it's like a whole loaf cake. I don't even know what it is. Oh, Grand Cal, you have done me right. Well, hello, Life Disney and Beyond. It is early morning for us, about like 8:30, 9 o'clock, and we decided to come over to the Grand Cal, the little hotel that's on property here at the Disneyland Resort.
Oh, it's not little.
It's not little, it's very grand.
Yes.
We are gonna show you some of the treats and the decor and all the good stuff that you can do when you come here, so you can make a stop. You don't even need a ticket to come into the park, and you can come in and get some of these awesome goodies and marvel at some of the great stuff they have here.
Yeah, and you don't even need to stay here for that matter. You can come and enjoy the lobby, hang out by the fire, do all that kind of stuff. So let's go check out what they have to offer for the holiday season. Yay! Look at the tree. One of the coziest places in the resort to come and enjoy Christmas. There is the gingerbread house. So the cool thing about this gingerbread house is that there's hidden Mickeys all over the place. And you can smell cinnamon coming out of that fireplace. Let's see how many there are this year. Usually they tell you how many there are. Well, there's the ingredients. But how many hidden Mickeys? Oh, 25. 25 hidden Mickeys. I think that was the amount last year. There's 25 this year, Katie.
What? Okay, I found one. Look.
Okay, where's
the holly above the thingy? The holly above the...
Oh, the red part of the holly that's right in the dead center.
Are you ready to see a really obvious one?
Okay, and there's that one, yeah.
Right above it, or the cookie-ish.
At the peppermint brittle.
Yep.
Okay.
Then there's one on the tree.
Okay, there's three. There's three right there.
How many do I have to find?
25. You got 22 more.
Oh, okay. On the stocking there, above the fireplace.
Got it. And the green one, there it is.
Another one right there. This is going to be hard for you to find.
What's this, number 5?
Yep, right there. There
oh, I see it. The white one in the cloud.
Man.
Up top, right under the eave there, the white one.
Right here. Right there. Bam! In the snowflake.
Oh, cool.
Boom.
Okay.
How many is that? 8? It better be 8. Oh, there's another one. Boom.
Right in the back, that white one.
Yep. There in the holly. Hold on. 10.
11.
Corner 11. Maybe we will find all 25.
Another holly up top.
Okay, let me zoom. Zippity zoom da day. Zippity zoom my day. That's like 12 or 13. Oh, I guess the other holly. That's another one. I see one right under the eave. 15. Oh, 16 in Grand Californian.
Oh, I see it in the center, yeah.
I'm really good at this. In the snowflake.
All right. Oh, look, in the snow right there.
Oh, perfect. 18.
Looks like a cake.
I know it does. Wait, there it is. Yeah. I'll see it.
In the fire? I think there is.
A fire, Mickey?
I think there's one in the fireplace.
Okay.
All right, so one of our cast member friends pointed out, because we just can't really handle it. Look at the one in the negative space right there.
I think.
That is really cool.
Right.
And apparently, we need to go up there and look down, is what I'm told. We're up top and we're looking way down on the roof.
Like really way
There
down.
it is. And I see on the left side, upside down, a hidden Mickey on the roof.
So if we're on that level, that's where we gotta go.
That's pretty cool. Back down. Wow, look at the tree from here.
I know.
What a great view of the lobby from here, huh?
It really is.
These grand arches.
You're afraid of heights, be careful sitting in there.
Awesome. That craftsman style through and through. Okay, just to the right of the gingerbread house is the treat counter. You can get coffees, you can get Bailey's shots, you can get all this good stuff. Look at this.
Yes, my friend. Cookie shots? What? Oh. This. Look at their even little candy canes.
But look at the macaron in there. It's a big Mickey.
Oh, he's like a tree macaron. Look at this. It's like a whole loaf cake. I don't even know what it is. Oh, Grand Cal, you have done me right.
Okay, just a short hop, skip, and a jump away from the treats table where we got these, and the gingerbread house is the Hearthstone Lounge, and we're gonna come over here and check out all these treats. What the? Huh?
What the what?
Damn! All right.
It's gonna be good.
So there it is. There's the cookie shot with Bailey's, and the loaf, and it's like a macaron, but they call it a whoopie pie.
And the loaf.
And the loaf. And
It's a peppermint loaf.
Yep.
And then this is just, I don't know, she just said
they call it a
whoopie.
It's a whoopie pie.
Okay, so we'll see what's inside. It looks so
good. And the reindeer Mickey cookie.
Yeah, we had to get it just based on cuteness. I mean, it is shortbread, so I'm sure it's really good. But
And the cookie box with assorted cookies that you can see here that I shot at the counter. There they are. We might save those. I don't know if we're going to open that, but but we're going to hit this shot before it starts to dissolve my cookie.
By the dawn's early light.
Sitting right here by the fire, I'm going to have my Bailey's shot.
There's no fire.
Well, but we're near it. At least it's in the proximity. All right.
Are you over the age of 21 though?
Yes, I am.
I'm gonna need
I
to
can
see
first
some
tell you
ID.
that on approach, I smell the mint.
Mint?
Yeah, it's like a mint chocolate. I think it's the Bailey's.
Oh, is Bailey's mint?
Child.
Happy. What time is it right now? 9.
Yeah, it's like a minty.
So it's a minty Bailey's.
Almost like a junior mint, peppermint with chocolate type of.
Oh, okay. That's bomb. Look at all the chocolate chips in the cookie. Can I hold this for a second?
The ratio of chip to cookie is very high.
And it's not like I mean, even it's been in here for a couple minutes, and it's like, it's still.
Its
yeah. Look at even the bottom's got choco chip, and look at how cute the little sprinkles are. That's cute. Okay, here you go. Merry Christmas. This is what we've all been wondering. How is the cookie?
Mint chocolate chippy at the top because of the.
So you probably just don't love that. Because you're not the biggest mint or peppermint fan, huh? I'm gonna laugh if you got like a candy cane in your beard and have to walk around all day.
I didn't realize the chocolate was lining the entire inside. Look.
Oh yeah, the chocolate is lining.
Yeah.
That's why it doesn't get the cookie all mushy. Someone was thinking. All right, well, while you devour that, what would you rate that for how much it costs? I think, what was it, like 14 if you got it with a shot? On a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being you would totally get that again next Christmas. Next Christmas.
I'd say a 9.
Okay. So that means you would get it again.
Yeah.
Because anything from 8 to 9 means you would. Do you like my scale I have?
Yeah.
This is your breakfast
It is.
of champions.
It's just festive, and you know, it's always nice to have a little bit of the spirits for the holidays, as they
Bada
say.
bing, bada boom.
All right, moving on.
All right, so we're gonna try the whoopie pie. We can't call it a whoopie pie, it's a
Whoopie, correct, because it's spelled WHOOPIE. Yes.
All right, I'm gonna try the ear without the little sugar, whatchamacallit. Now we don't know if this peppermint, this could be plain buttercream, this could be anything inside. This is like roulette right now.
I like it.
All right, and look at the little sprinkles. I don't know if you can see.
Oh yeah, on the side there,
they're little
yes.
Christmas trees. Okay, here we go.
Okay, good sample. Here we go.
I think it's just regular vanilla, so you'll love it. Good.
1 out of 10.
I think if you really like vanilla, then this will be like an 8 out of 10, maybe a 9 out of 10. If you're a chocolate fan like me who likes like chocolate, peppermint, then I'd give it like a 7 out of 10.
So what's the flavor of the cookie part, or the cake
Vanilla.
part? Vanilla? Everything's
all
vanilla. Okay.
Dude, look at your bite. It's like straight up, if you were in a cartoon, I know this is a little out of focus, but like, if you were in a cartoon, that is like the perfect you.
It's sugar cookie flavor.
Oh, and that's what it is. And I'm not the biggest like sugar cookie fan. I'm like, eh.
Sugar cookies are big for Christmas, so
Yeah.
this tastes like a big sugar cookie.
But you know what? Like, okay, I like sugar cookies that have like frosting on them, but like that doesn't. No, that's what I was gonna. Let me finish. I was gonna say I like cookies with like frosting, like, or what are they? Sugar cookies with frosting on them, but that's very, very light. So it doesn't taste like frosting. It tastes like a very whipped, it's very airy too. But yeah, if you're a sugar cookie fan, you'll like that.
But you can split this between like 5 people.
As you eat it all yourself. I want more. I want to be where the chocolate and peppermint are. Then of course you got your cute little reindeer. Looks like, again, it's just your basic sugar cookie, shortbread. Sure, that's really, really good. And this would make a cute little gift for somebody.
What you got there?
A peppermint loaf. I'm a little nervous about the amount of sprinkles that are on this. You know what I mean? Because it's like...
It is sprinkle heavy.
It's pretty though. So I think it's like a frosting on it, which just set me into overdrive. This is everything I want. See, this is my jam. Like shortbread, vanilla, I could live without it. Sugar cookie, But this is like chocolate and peppermint, like, oh my God. Okay, we're gonna cut a little slicey, wicey. Oh, frosting. I'm gonna be...
Is it dense by the cut?
Dude, it's like pound cake status. So...
Ooh,
there you go.
It is green.
Oh, that's so cool that it's green inside. Here's just the cake part. I think it's peppermint. The loaf is actually peppermint. Let me handle this. Okay. It's really good. It's like ganache on top. So if you're a chocolate peppermint fan, you will love it. I mean, I'm not saying you're gonna like it, you're gonna like love it. Now, I need a couple minutes to enjoy this, so I'll see you guys later. Bye, Felicia. Folks, this is breaking news. Corn Chip Katie on the scene here at the Hearthstone Lounge, Hearthstone, however you want to call it. We have found chocolate chips in the loaf. That's right, folks. There is not just is this peppermint and chocolate with ganache, it has chocolate chips inside. Goodness. I'm gonna need some alone time. Well, that wraps up the deliciousness. Now that we have got our sugar on, we're gonna go into the park. So next time you all are in downtown Disney, or you just want to come and do something fun for the holidays and try some good stuff and relax in a Disney atmosphere without having to pay a ticket price. Come check out the Grand Californian at Christmas time. You won't be disappointed. And it's so festive here. It's a really good way to even start your day at Disneyland. If you're just going into the park for the holidays, maybe start here for a coffee and kind of get your Christmas groove on, and then boom, head right into the park. Yes, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit your subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on your bell notifications, especially because we go live and you'll know right when we upload our newest videos. That's correct. And of course, if you want to support Life Disney, you can actually become one of our Patreon members. We'll show you how to do that in the description below. That's right, and we will see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody!